Now, Sofi Technologies, ladies and gents, ended the week trading at $6.05. Now, obviously, on Thursday, we saw the shares of Sofi surging by over, or at least finishing the day up over 3%. Now, this came obviously when the Bank of America, or when both upgraded Sofi from neutral to a buy, which is something that obviously made the shares of Sofi to obviously finish the day on Thursday up over 3%. Now, this is something that should definitely motivate you to remain bullish, stay long and strong onto Sofi Technologies stock because the upgrade from neutral to buy by one of the biggest banks in America is something that must just show you that this is a stock with some serious potential. But before we dig deeper into this video, already know that this video is just an entertainment video and not a professional financial advice video. Now, I really appreciate if you can just hit the like button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, like I always say, if you enjoy this video, I'll really appreciate if you can just hit that like button as it helps with YouTube's algorithm. Now, as I'm saying, the Bank of America upgraded Sofi from neutral into a buy because they're seeing a potential onto this Sofi technology stock. I mean, Sofi, we've been seeing each and every quarter they report their earnings, a massive number of inflows from consumers wanting to join this one-stop shop platform that Sofi offers to its consumers. Now, Bank of America, ladies and gents, they upgraded Sofi, as seen on the screen, from neutral to buy and increased their price target from $8 to $9, which is something that is incredible and something that must just show you that where Sofi is trading at, and that is of course at $6.05, it is an opportunity for you to load the boat. It is an opportunity for you to go in this stock and try to see if you can buy or add this stock. That's if you don't own this stock already in your portfolio, because one way or the other, Sofi Technologies is a company that is doing quite well. I mean, we've been seeing every time they report their earnings in the past 3, if not 4 quarters, they've been beating analyst expectations on both the revenues they generate and the earnings per share, and they are achieving or beating analyst expectations regardless of the student loan repayment holds, which we already know, or if you're a Sofi investor, you'll know that of course the student loan repayments are resuming early next year of 2023, which is something that, guess what, it will bring in more revenue into Sofi Technologies. That's one thing that obviously will make Sofi to generate massive revenues each and every quarter they report their earnings, because part or a huge part of their business is student loans, and getting to know that of course the Biden administration or the US government had paused all student loan repayments from the beginning of the pandemic to date. We are seeing, of course, private lenders, including Sofi, struggling, of course, to make revenues in this sort of like segment in their business. So to get to know that, or to get to see that, of course, the student loan repayments are resuming starting from January of 2023, we can have high hopes for Sofi to say that 2023 it will be that year where it will do well in terms of the revenues and getting closer to profitability. Now, Sofi Technologies, like I said, people like their platform because they offer a wide range of services on their one platform, as consumers can save, borrow, invest, spend, trade, and of course save, which is something that obviously is the one that motivates people to want to come, or one of the things that motivate people to want to come and join Sofi Technologies. I mean, from your checking account, also Sofi Technologies, what they do is that you are able to get, without even putting your money, just for the money in your account, you can get even 2%, or you can see your money grow by 2% for the fact that of course your money is in their account, which is one of the things that, ladies and gents, also attract consumers to want to come and join Sofi Technologies. And one of the things that of course we discussed in the previous video where we were talking about Sofi Technologies is that Sofi is doing strategic partnerships. I mean, of course, last week we spoke of the partnership or of an agreement that Sofi Technologies came with Herbert, a quarterback of one of the biggest team, of course, in America, which is one of the things that, ladies and gents, must just show you that Sofi, they are not only just, of course, attracting, of course, these, of course, consumers by maybe advertising the business themselves. They are also trying to get external people to do or help them grab as many people as possible, because, like for instance, with Herbert, he is encouraging people to stop bad banking services and join good services, or join banks like Sofi Technologies, which you can get a wide range of services from that individual platform. I mean, the naming rights of SoFi Stadium, which of course SoFi made that deal, and that there is a stadium that obviously is called Sofi Technologies. It's one of the things that also will attract a lot of consumers, a lot of customers, clients into coming into Sofi Technologies, which is one of the things that makes me to remain bullish, long and strong into Sofi Technologies, because I know that this is a company which is just set to do very well. Sofi Technology, it is a company that is just expected to do well, and it is for the fact, or seeing the fact that, of course, big companies or big financial institutions like Bank of America sees the potential in this company. It's one of the things that, ladies and gents, must just also make you to see the potential that lies within the Sofi Technology stock. Sofi, it is that company that in my portfolio, it's one of the companies that is seriously, or I've put a lot of money into this company when comparing to other. I think it's my second largest holding in my stock market portfolio, because I truly also believe in this company. I believe that this is a company that is a game changer, or that can bring a serious game changer and bring serious competition into traditional banks, which is why I remain bullish, long and strong onto Sofi Technology stock. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I should just give you this quick update to say that though we saw obviously Sofi Technologies ending the week on or trading around $6.05, this is a company that of course is just set to do very well. And the announcement, or the upgrade that we saw, of course, Bank of America announcing that they are now moving Sofi Technologies from neutral into a buy. It's something that obviously must motivate you and to. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, like I said in the beginning of this video, don't forget to hit that like button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. But it is always important that, guys, before you load the boat, increase your holdings on any stock that you would want to buy, you do your own due diligence so that at least you don't panic or get to panic when you see that stock dropping by 10-20%, because you will know the fundamentals that surrounds that stock. You will know the future prospects probably that you can anticipate, or the future prospects that will of course boost the revenue of the company that you are investing in, and also boost the profitability. Otherwise, all that, guys, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.